notice with the Jiffy Auto, there is no fold-over tab and no lip and tape. Okay? So, typical packer in a work cell environment sticks the product in there, runs it through the auto, and automatically heats it. Okay? So what does that mean? What that means is you get 40% faster production on each line. So what does it mean for your business if I can take you from going from 4 minutes to 8 a minute?
So time for a living.
Right. So again, if 85% of the cost of shipping a package is damage, freight, and labor, from a damage standpoint, with a mailer, you've got cushioning all around the product. From a freight standpoint, because of dimensional weight, gone from a small parcel to a mailer.